this guy. You know him. Look Mum No Computer. Father of the Furby organ. Synth bike.
Synth bike.
Flame-throwing Henry Hoover. And many more things. He's making synths. He's fixing engines. You name it. Generally, he's doing silly stuff. And he made this museum that I am in right now. You can come here and play with all the mad, rare and old stuff that he's made and collected. I'm Mitch, by the way, one of the people that helps out around here. Safe to say we are used to a few mad things around here, but something has happened that is even more bonkers than we could imagine. Sam, Look Mum No Computer, has been selected to represent the United Kingdom at Eurovision. The Eurovision Song Contest, yes. The one with these guys. That's right, and these guys. And those guys. And those guys. And now this guy. He's out in Vienna right now, and the televised final is this Saturday, the 16th. It's a bigger audience than the Super Bowl halftime show. So, no pressure, Sam. In the title of the video, I promised you some behind-the-scenes action, so here it comes. This is my view of the Eins, Zwei, Drei music video shoot up in Pinewood Studios, directed by Johnny Goddard, who also works here at the museum. So this is how it looked as we arrived at Pinewood Studios. Massive soundstage. I mean, actually, funny enough, it's actually one of the smallest ones that they've got there, the Indie 2 stage. It's actually where they film RuPaul's Drag Race, would you believe? But RuPaul wasn't there today. We just had Matt and Meg, who are the art department, and their assistant Max, building the office set. More progress on it. They got all the lighting stuff up and that. And me and Johnny started work on the big CRT wall with the synthesizers as well. Loads of Sam's actual working synthesizers. Everything in there was actually working, not a fake prop. Johnny put a lot of work into these CRT graphics. He filmed a load of stuff from the museum on the video synthesizer and the number displays and stuff. Made all this before we got there and then got it all working. Luckily, linked across all the TVs. But it looks pretty cool. And the Sam's Mini made an appearance as well, and if you notice there are wings on it, because later in the video he flies off into Europe, and those are ironing boards. Quite an ingenious solution. Matt just came up with that like within 2 seconds. I really look up to people who can come up with solutions, simple solutions that quick, and it fits the aesthetic, I think. And so back on the office set, as Matt making it all, give it a little 360 view, and there was Henry, there was computers, you'll spot loads of stuff from the museum, and there's Meg talking to Johnny and discussing how to set up the set and stuff, and I had to do a little screen test there to stand in for Sam while he was getting his hair and makeup done, so there he is on set, and starting to film now. There's Johnny's monitor that he uses as the director. Yeah, it looks really good on camera. Really good. The DOP did a good job, I think. He's getting angrily stamping and throwing the phone down, and yeah, Johnny's loving it. So really cool to see them doing their thing. I know John from around the museum, but I never see him on film sets and stuff. He's a legit director that does cool stuff, so it's cool to see mates doing their thing. Yeah, there's Meg, one of the awesome art department, just resetting stuff between takes, looking pretty good. You happy, Sam?
You're right.
Here he is at his office job. It's the only time you'll ever see Look Mum No Computer in an office, I think. He is at paperwork normally. Oh yeah, and we made that really awesome animatronic Mac. These are the controllers that I made, and the controller doing the Henry as well. You see there in the background, this is us doing the paracetamol skit thing. Me and Jodie, Sam's sister, who makes an appearance later in the thing. There's the Henry, the animatronic Henry. I think it's really cool. And this is the controller that I made for it, that and the Mac. And yeah, I was fiddling this as the walls were coming in. Amazing set, all moves in. This is Sam in his rip-off suit, Turn around.
Looks like he's in hospital.
Exactly.
And then he rips that off, and then the set moves, and we're into the next thing.
Mr. Fancy Pants. Someone to do his turnips for him now and everything.
And this is me making an appearance as Cosmo, and Jodie, Sam's sister, as the other Cosmo, with these furry heads on. This is Jodie doing an impression of Sam dancing, which I can tell you is very accurate. And there's a shot of the in progress making of these monstrosities of a screen and a thing. Sam doing his thing to camera. Jodie in the background doing a bit of a boogie with all the screen graphics that Johnny made. There's a lot of work gone into this, a lot of work, I can tell you. Yeah, to bring it all together on the day with a really tight budget and a really tight timeline. It's pretty cool. And we're into the mini shots now, and there's everybody all hands on deck. There's Mac there on the pole, and the assistant director, the producer and assistant director, and Johnny, who's the director, all mucking in to bounce the mini. It makes me laugh because Johnny just goes to his knees there, exhausted. And so this is how the shots were done. There's some guys with mirrors, rotating mirrors off, making all the lights go. Cool.
You have it at barbecue.
Sam eating the custard-covered sausage.
Henry's lost his teeth and eyes. Poor Henry. Where has he gone? Matt, where's Henry gone? What's Henry becoming?
Iron and pizza. Yeah.
Alright, we'll check back to see what Henry's looking like in a second.
Just make sure
So
this is
what are we doing here?
This is just to give it a bit of a gloss or a sheen so it looks like it's still warm.
She's at the salon.
We didn't have cucumber slices, so we've used duct tape. Yeah, I'm sure they do that in the makeup department as well.
Exactly. We pizza makeup people.
Oh, that's better.
See?
Oh, yeah, that's going to be great.
Looks like it's just come out the oven.
Greasy.
Oven
Are you still in there, Henry VIII?
lady. Oh, greasy boy.
So what did you use there? What was
This
that?
was just sprayed orange.
Oh right, okay, cool.
I might need to use glitter.
Oh, that's absolutely.
Yeah, that's me doing the pizza, and it kind of worked. You can actually, if you look very closely, see me in the video, and you see me activating the mouth by hand because it broke at the last second, but we made it work. And then that's the van packed at the end of the day. The best I've ever packed a van. I really feel like I won Tetris. There are some of the elements from the video installed in the museum, so if you're eagle-eyed, you can spot them. There's a bit of it ungraded that Johnny sent me while he was doing the edit. Spot the difference between the finished video and this. Really nice little touch that they left the guys in there, Matt and some of the executive producers pulling the set back. Really nice touch. I begged Johnny to leave that in and not mask them out.
So now really is the perfect time to plan your visit to the museum. Come and have a summer holiday down here in sunny Ramsgate. We've got Margate right next door as well, so plenty to do. Loads of great museums and fun family things. And a beach. We've got a beach. I mean, how good's that? It's only a short hop on the train down from London, and we're actually quite close to the ferry at Dover. So if you're driving over from Europe, why not come and pay us a visit? We appreciate your support on Patreon and buying things like the sample packs on the website. It all really contributes and makes it possible to make all the videos and stuff about all the cool things that we have here.